Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could have a complete view of the road while driving, with a dash cam that's not only smart but also reliable? The IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam 360 degrees view is a top-rated choice among drivers, and for good reason. This king-size dash cam features a G sensor that automatically starts emergency recording when it detects a sudden impact, providing valuable evidence in case of an accident. The video is saved and locked in the emergency video category, so you don't have to worry about it being overwritten. The N5 also boasts a high-performance supercapacitor that ensures it can withstand extreme heat and has a longer lifespan, allowing it to function smoothly in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its reliability and performance. One of the standout features of the IIWEY N5 is its ability to provide a 360 degrees view of the road, giving you a complete picture of your surroundings. The footage is clear and crisp, with a smooth playback that makes it easy to review. In real-life use cases, the IIWEY N5 has proven to be a valuable tool for drivers, providing a sense of security and peace of mind. Whether you're driving in heavy traffic or navigating through unfamiliar roads, the N5 is a reliable companion that's always watching your back. With its smart tech and top-rated performance, the IIWEY N5 is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality dash cam. Overall, the IIWEY N5 is a solid choice for drivers who want a reliable and feature-rich dash cam, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone in the market for a new dash cam. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.